everybody, I got a little surprise for you today on the channel. Yesterday I harvested a cacao pod, and guess what happened? You're going to want to stay tuned. Do not go away. You're going to want to see this. All right, I promise you that no children were hurt during the filming of this segment, okay? You're going to hear kids screaming in the background. They're having a great time. They're at the neighbor's house, and they're just playing around in the yard, and there's nothing I can do about it. Okay, so let's deal with it together. If you hear that noise in the background, I've tried everything, okay? Maybe I'll go buy them. All right, let's see if we can take a look at this. We've got the purple beans and we've got the white. We literally have the normal purple beans and we have these pure, pretty much whitish, yellowish, more on the white side than anything else. They're very, very different than the other normal cacao seed. And this came from one pod. So the pod that I harvested ended up giving me approximately, I think it was 13 of the white and 23 of the purplish ones. This is Theobroma cacao, which is the species that chocolate is made from, right? However, from what I've learned, a little bit of studying up on it, there are some mutations that happen inside the plant. And these mutations cause these beans to be white, and it's very rare. So you're getting cacao, you're getting chocolate when you roast them and you do the entire process, but it has a more mellow flavor. I can't even begin to describe it. I'm just kind of telling you what I've heard and what I've learned and what I've read, okay? So this is Theobroma cacao that on one pod gave me the white beans with the purple beans. And as I said, what I've read says that they're very, very delicious, a very, very exotic type of a chocolate, but it's not white chocolate because there is no such thing really as white chocolate unless, here's where you can correct me if I'm wrong, unless you're getting it from Theobroma cacao and it's coming from the rare number of white seeds that are collected from Theobroma cacao. So I think I got that right. If I don't, just chime in and let me know and point me to a source, will you? Because I'd love to have the source as well. So I wanted to share that with you, and then I wanted to show you just real quickly how I'm gonna go ahead and plant these. And I'm only gonna have about 13 of those seeds to plant, and I'll be offering them later on when they're ready. So keep an eye on my website if you're interested in getting some of those. Now, I don't know if they're gonna come out true to seed and you're gonna end up with a pod that's always gonna be, you know, a nice mix of the purple and the white, but you never know, right? So it's worth a shot. So here we go. So one of the things that's important about planting the cacao seed is that you do it really, really quick, as soon as you can from the pod. And obviously you have to clean it and you have to prepare it. And I do have a video on how to do that. So take a couple of minutes later, and if you'd like to see how to actually plant the seeds, go ahead and watch that. All right, thank you for stopping by. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna plant these, I'm gonna have these available for you guys at a future date. Thank you.